Hello, art students. Today we're going to be making a one-point perspective project using shapes, words, or even your own doodle. You'll need a piece of paper, some coloring tools, along with a pencil, ruler, and any type of black marker. So let's get started. One-point perspective starts with one dot in the center of your paper. Everything you draw is going to vanish into this one dot. I will be drawing the words dream big. I'm going to start off by spacing them out equally and making sure I draw those words as light as possible because I'm going to try to make bubble letters, so I'll eventually end up erasing those words in between. I noticed my D and my R are actually scooched over a little bit too much. My E isn't lined up with the center, so I'm going to fix that. Luckily, I drew light enough so you won't even notice that I erased it before. Now I'm just going to go ahead and start outlining all of my letters with a darker line to achieve that bubble letter look I'm looking for. Once I'm done with my last letter, I will go through with my eraser and erase the center part of my letter, the part that I drew the lightest. For the next step, I will be needing my ruler. I'm going to line up my ruler with that center dot in the edge of my letter. Every edge or every sharp turn my letter takes, I will be lining that up with the dot and creating many lines so it looks like my letters are 3D and they're all vanishing to that center point. I'm only doing the bottom part of my top letters and the top part of my bottom letters, so the part that is closest to the dot. Doing it in steps will make it a lot easier for you. The next step will be doing every single turn your letter makes or every single edge that your letter makes. So this means even the center of your letter, every curved edge of your letter. Once you get every single edge of your letter, even the ones that are gaps in between, you're going to start coloring in your letters. Every single section should be a different color. If you don't have that many colors, just try not to use the same color on one letter. We're going to try to use as many different colors to show off all the different angles and edges that your letter has. Once I color everything in, I'm going to grab my black marker and start outlining all the pencil lines. This way everything will be bold and easy to see. So I want to add a little something in the background. I'm going to start putting stars around there. Once I put the stars in, I'm going to outline them and do the same step with the ruler. I'm going to take every corner and line it up to the vanishing point. Next, you'll be coloring in all of those sections and then again outlining them with a black marker. Once you are done with that, put something in the background. I just want mine to look like it's in space, so I'm going to color the entire background black. You don't have to do that, just color in the background however you want. Here is my finished project when the background's all colored in. I hope you guys have fun and I will see you next time.